Current threshold. Checking or changing the current threshold for the FENTEC servery. Some installations may require the default current threshold in the control box to be changed to suit the size of the servery. You will need access to the control box. Warning: misconfiguring the current threshold can cause permanent damage to the electronics and hardware. Only perform these steps if the installation specifically requires it. You must also redo the limit learning procedure after changing any of these settings. 1. Checking the existing current threshold. Ensure power is switched off to the control box. This is the dip switch panel. To check the existing current threshold, we need to switch dip 6 on and then off. A red LED will begin to flash, indicating the amp threshold. Each flash indicates half an amp. You will need to count the flashes. To begin, switch power on to the control box. Switch dip 6 on. When dip 6 is switched off, be ready to count the flashes. Switch dip 6 off. L4 flashed 9 times, indicating that this control box is set to 4.5 amps. If you do not need to change the setting, please perform the limit learning procedure to finish. If you do need to change the setting, please keep watching. 2. Setting the new current threshold. Changing the current threshold involves pressing P1 to set the amount of amps desired. One press is equal to half an amp. This table shows you the number of presses required for each amp setting. To begin, switch power off to the device. Wait 5 seconds for any residual power to drain. Switch power on to the device. Switch dip 6 on. Within 30 seconds of switching dip 6 on, press the P1 button the desired amount of times for the new current setting. To lock this setting, switch dip 6 to the off position, remembering to count the L4 flashes to confirm the new threshold. The controller is now configured to 1 amp. You must now perform the limit learning procedure again to finish. This must be done regardless of whether it has been done prior, as changing the current threshold resets the limits. Please proceed to the video limit learning procedure to finalize this setting. If you require further assistance with the current thresholds, please contact our team.